These are the items that we are shipping out today.
Hi, so today we have 5 items going out, and the first one is a bikini bathing suit. This one was listed for 9 months before it actually sold, so let's go get it. Okay, the next thing is I sold a postcard, and I already have it out. I had to dig. I have over 200 postcards listed, so I had to. This is it. God Jewel with a gnome. And it's dated 1911. So I'm going to show you how we do that. So they get a business card. Piece of tape. Cardboard. Score. Just use pieces of cardboard so we don't bend. Okay, next I sold another postcard, and I have that over here. Sis, Me, and Pa, 1908. It's Flatiron Building, New York City. And I think it's fun to read the postcards and see what they say on them. So, business card. And this is dated 1908, just for the record. Okay, I got another piece of cardboard. I'm just cutting it to size, because I don't want my card to bend. Like I said, these cards are over 100 years old. So I want to do a good job of shipping it out. scoring the cardboard so it bends. I'll just place it in here. Tape it up. Okay, so that way it won't bend. Another small bag. Okay, so the fourth thing is a Tommy Hilfiger woman's blouse. So let's go get that. This is a new blouse with tags. I bought this in the box of Honcho Wholesale. I'm just not in the habit of buying them. I'm doing better with thrifting items because I can't take a best offer on this. I have to make a certain amount of money to make my money back. So my prices are kind of high on this, and it took about 6 weeks to get it sold. So I guess you live and you learn when you resell. You find out what works and what don't. So it's got a real cute design to it. Anyways. There we go. I believe this one's going to go first class. So I have padded poly. I'm struggling here to get it in. There we go. Okay, and then the last item is an anchor hacking measuring cup. It's a large measuring cup, so let me go get that real quick. This thing is pretty big. It's huge. It's old. It holds up to 2 liters, so this is going to go to a baker. So we're going to have to get the bubble wrap out, and get this really secure because it's kind of heavy, and I don't want it to break. Okay, we'll do this back. Very good. I want to do medium flat rate because this is a heavy glass item, and that means as long as it fits in this box, it ships. So it doesn't matter. It's not going to go by weight. I'm just paying a flat fee to ship it. So if you have something like that that's heavy and it's going a couple states or even further away from you, your best bet is to do flat rate. So, since it's a flat rate, I don't care how much padding I put in here. I'm going to pad the hell out of it so it don't get broke. I just want to make sure it's going to fit. And you know what? It don't fit. You need a different box. Okay, front box. I'm just using some more bubbles. Line the bottom with. This box is big. I'm going to fill it. Okay, I think that's just not moving out of place. Take out these stickers that show our color. Okay, so that kind of sucked. I tried to use a medium flat rate box. Too small. Tried to use a large flat rate box. It fit just perfect, except it wasn't as high enough. USPS, if you hear this, can you fix your boxes? If it's large flat rate, make the damn thing large. You know, I'm going to show you their large flat rate box. This is their large flat rate box. Don't look very large, does it? It should be a little bit higher, in my opinion, but who am I? Anyway, so I have a box. I found a box, and I padded the hell out of it. So, I'm probably going to be paying a little extra on the shipping. But, I did calculated shipping, so for the weight, hopefully, I'll be covered. So, anyways, that's the 5 things that are going out tonight. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with tomorrow's items that sold on eBay. Thanks for watching.
When you can't seem to find a baseball that's been signed, that's on eBay. A new toy you can wind, a men's suit that's silk lined, that's on eBay.